20 ways to reduce your outgoings this year. Number 1, cut out all unnecessary expenses. This one might sound obvious, but it is your bread and butter when it comes to spending less money. Take a close look at your budget and eliminate any expenses that aren't absolutely necessary. This might include things like TV packages, subscription services, or expensive hobbies. If you can't eliminate them immediately, then set a reminder to come back to them when the contract expires. Number 2, get rid of your car. If you live in a town or a city with good public transportation, consider getting rid of your car, or alternatively, try getting rid of one of your cars. This can save you a significant amount of money on petrol, insurance, tax, and maintenance costs. We were a one-car household for a long time, and it cut our costs considerably. Number 3, cook at home. Eating out can be a major budget drain. Ditto for takeaways. Instead, try to cook at home as much as possible. This will not only save you money, but it can also be healthier for you too. Have a look on Pinterest for how you can recreate your favourite restaurant food in your own kitchen. Number 4, get a roommate or lodger. If you live in a decent city, you may be able to save a lot of money by getting a roommate. Sharing the cost of rent and utilities can make a big difference. Plus, there are some tax benefits if you live in the UK, such as the rent a room scheme. Number 5, cut your own hair. Professional haircuts can be expensive, especially if you get them regularly. Instead, try cutting your own hair and asking a friend to help. But a word of caution, start with small amounts at first. Number 6, shop at charity shops. You can find great deals on clothing and household items at charity shops. This is a great way to save money while still being able to buy the things you need. You can even find charity shops that sell furniture. There is a great one near us, and it is good to know that my money has gone to people that need it. Number 7, cancel your gym membership. Yes, I know, health is wealth, but if you're trying to save money, a gym membership may not be worth it. Instead, try working out at home or going for a run outside. Or there are lots of videos on YouTube that can guide you through a workout for nothing. Number 8, use free entertainment. Instead of paying for entertainment, try finding free options like going to a local park, visiting a museum on a free day, or borrowing books from the library. Number 9, use coupons and discounts. Look for coupons and discounts whenever you shop. This can save a lot of money on things like groceries, clothing, and other purchases too. Plus, there is a lot of tech out there that can help. Number 10, sell or donate your stuff. Whilst this one doesn't immediately feel like it will help you spend less, it does in reality. It costs money to clean and maintain the things you own, even the stuff that you don't like. This will help you declutter your home and, as a bonus, make some extra money at the same time. Number 11, use cash. Using cash can help you spend less because it's easier to keep track of how much you're spending. When you use a credit or debit card, it's easy to lose track of how much you've spent and end up with a larger bill than you intended. However, there are some great banking apps out there that use things like pots and spaces, which can help you manage your money too. Check out this video about styling for more information on how to use spaces. Number 12. Shop around. When you need to make a purchase, take the time to shop around and compare prices. You may be able to find a better deal by shopping at different stores or by looking for sales and discounts. If shopping online, use Google Shopping or a website like Idealo to help you find the best deals. 13. Negotiate your bills. If you're paying for things like internet or phone service, try negotiating with your current company for a lower rate. You might be surprised at how willing they are to work with you. This works especially well if you ring up close to the end of your contract. Number 4, a cashback credit card. Obviously, credit cards need to come with a bit of a warning. If you've had a bad experience in the past or are trying to get out of debt, then steer clear. But if you do use a credit card, consider using one that offers cashback on purchases. This can help you save money on things you are already planning to buy. I use American Express and have a video all about it over here. 15, buy in bulk. If you find a good deal on something you use frequently, like toilet paper or canned goods, consider buying it in bulk. Even if you don't have the money or the space to buy in bulk, consider teaming up with a friend or relative. This way you'll enjoy the benefits of bulk buy-in without the disadvantages of using up all your money and space. Number 16, be energy efficient. Energy is a lot at the moment, so if you can try and change how you use energy around your home, this can limit your energy costs. I have a whole video which is 100 different ways that you can reduce your energy consumption and therefore save money. Number 17, use public transportation. Even if you can't go car free, you could consider using public transportation more. This could be something like using your local park and ride, or just using the local bus service for the odd trip here and there. Number 18, go SIM only, or at least look at reducing your phone package. If you are near to the end of your contract, you could consider keeping your current handset and reducing the contract you're currently on. You don't necessarily need a brand new phone, so think about keeping the current handset and saving a whole load of money by switching to a SIM-only contract. Number 19, use water-saving devices. Yes, water costs money, and if we can use less of it, then we will save money there. You could consider switching up your shower head or just changing your water using habits. If you could reduce the amount of times you flush the toilet, for example, or look at using more water efficient settings on your washing machine and dishwasher. Number 20 is to plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance can help you save money on groceries by preventing impulse purchases. It can also help you eat healthier because you'll be more likely to cook at home instead of eating out. Food is a big expense for many households, and this is one of my favourite ways to cut back. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit that subscribe button to see more videos on how you can spend less in 2023. See you in the next one. Bye!